What is Avalanche, AVAX? Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. This is made possible by Avalanche's unique architecture. The Avalanche network consists of 3 individual blockchains, the X-chain, C-chain and P-chain. Each chain has a distinct purpose, which is radically different from the approach Bitcoin and Ethereum use, namely having all nodes validate all transactions. Avalanche blockchains even use different consensus mechanisms based on their use cases. After its mainnet launch in 2020, Avalanche has worked on developing its own ecosystem of DApps and DeFi. Different Ethereum-based projects such as SushiSwap and TrueUSD have integrated with Avalanche. Furthermore, the platform is constantly working on improving interoperability between its own ecosystem and Ethereum, like through the development of bridges. Who are the founders of Avalanche? Avalanche was launched by Ava Labs, founded by Cornell University professor Raman Gunsirer, and Cornell University computer science PhDs Kevin Sinicki and Malfan Yin. Gunsirer is a veteran in cryptographic research, having designed a conceptual peer-to-peer virtual currency 6 years before the release of the Bitcoin whitepaper. He was also involved in work on Bitcoin scaling solutions and research on Ethereum before the infamous DAO hack in 2016. From that research arose the whitepaper that led to the foundation of Ava Labs in 2018. The project closed a seed round in February 2019 that included investors such as Polychain, Andreessen Horowitz and Balaji Srinivasan. Avalanche closed its initial coin offering in 2020 in under 24 hours, raising $42 million in the process. What makes Avalanche unique? Avalanche attempts to solve the blockchain trilemma, which posits that blockchains cannot achieve a sufficient degree of decentralization at scale. A consequence of this are high gas fees, as is often the case on Ethereum. How many Avalanche, AVAX, coins are there in circulation? The total supply of AVAX is 720 million. Its token distribution is as follows. 2.5%, seed sale, with 10% released on mainnet launch and the rest being released every 3 months. 3.5%, private sale, with 10% released on mainnet launch and the rest being released every 3 months. 10%, public sale, with 10% released on mainnet launch and 15% released every 3 months over a period of 18 months. 9.26%, allocated to the foundation, released over 10 years. 7%, community endowment, released over 12 months. 0.27%, testnet incentive program, released over 1 year. 5%, strategic partners, released over 4 years. 2.5%, airdrops, released over 4 years. 10%, team, released over 4 years. 50% staking rewards. Staking AVAX currently provides an annual reward of 11.57%, with the minimum time for staking being 2 weeks with a minimum of 2,000 AVAX. How is the Avalanche network secured? AVAX is traded on the exchange chain, which follows its own Avalanche consensus mechanism. Unlike proof of work or proof of stake, the Avalanche consensus mechanism does not have one leader processing transactions that get validated by others. Instead, all nodes process and validate transactions by employing a directed acyclic graph (DAG) protocol. That way, transactions are processed simultaneously, and validators' random polling ensures that transactions are correct with statistical certainty. There are no blocks in this consensus mechanism, allowing immediate finalization and significantly improving the blockchain speed. Where can you buy Avalanche, AVAX? AVAX price pairs for trading are available on top exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, Wobi Global, Bitfinex, Gate.io, KuCoin and more.